this is what will happen when they remove the lid. What I have right here, guys, is a water balloon. Now in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up a few pranks around the house using water balloons and cups, basically, because cups always come in handy when setting off water balloon pranks. If you haven't been keeping up with my videos lately, I've been featuring a lot of water balloons. So if you missed out, guys, there's a link below where you guys can check out those videos. So naturally, they're gonna push it in, and this is what's gonna happen. They pull on the straw. Ah, yuck. All right, prank time. Let's see what happens when I push this straw in. Yes, they are messy, and so will these pranks that I'm gonna show you right now. So guys, if you're excited about that, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and check it out. Alright, let's get started with a simple balloon prank. Now for this prank, of course, you're gonna be needing a balloon, and as I mentioned, you'll be needing a cup. Now this cup has a lid, and it has a straw. This cup has been used already. So it should be empty, like this. Now what you guys are gonna do is, you're gonna go fill up this balloon, but don't tie it. About this size works. We're gonna put it inside the cup, and as you guys can see, I'm holding onto the tip, and I'm gonna place it on the edge, put the lid on top, make sure that the tip is sticking out, and then guys, you're gonna have to shorten the straw to make it look like it's actually long, like so. And last but not least, guys, you're gonna be cutting off the tip. So cut it off, and that's it. The prank is set. As you guys can see right here, the cup looks like a normal cup of soda from your favorite or your victim's favorite restaurant. You can't really tell that it's been booby trapped. So at this point, guys, get your victim to actually remove the lid. Tell them to pour that soda into a different cup. And when that happens, they'll be falling for the prank. Check it out. This is the booby trap cup, guys. This is what will happen when they remove the lid. You saw that? They will not see it coming, and they're gonna get a splash of water from the cup and the balloon. So guys, pull this off on somebody that you guys know can take a joke. Make sure that their phone is at least water resistant, because most people usually have their phones with them. That way you don't get it wet. Let's move on to the next prank. Right here I have a cup, I have a water balloon, and I have a needle. We'll use this in a bit, but first, let's go and fill up this balloon with water. Something like this, guys. Now here, we're not gonna leave it untied. We actually are gonna tie it, like so. But before you tie it, make sure that it'll fit all the way inside the cup, like so. That works. All right, before we actually leave it in there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the needle, and from the bottom, we're gonna push it in towards the top, like so. Also, guys, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna poke some holes on the cup. So I'm gonna be using this pen for that. This is because we wanna make those leaks. All right, should be something like this, guys. If you notice, there's a lot of holes there. That's perfect for our leaks. And if you guys see, the needle's also there. I'm gonna flip it over, and you guys can see the needles inside pointing up. That is perfect. We are gonna take the balloon and hang it from the side of the cup, like so. We're gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna trim off a straw, put it inside, and also we're gonna trim off the excess piece of balloon that sticks out, and that's it. The prank is set, guys. Again, get your victim to remove the lid from the cup, and the following will happen. And if you guys take a look, you can't tell if there's anything wrong with this cup. It actually looks like it's got a blue drink inside. It could be Powerade. They won't know until they actually remove the lid. And then when they do that, this is what's gonna happen. So they remove the lid. Look at that. Okay, that's enough mess for now. So basically what happened, guys, is that the balloon dropped to the bottom of the cup. And at the bottom of the cup, there was the needle waiting for it. And since we have the holes on the bottom as well, that made the spill a lot more easier to accomplish. And we have this big old mess that your victim will have to clean up. Okay, so we're gonna be using the same cup for the next prank. Remember that the cup inside has a needle pointing up. We're gonna take a balloon, fill it up with water, like this. We're gonna put it inside the cup, and the cup is gonna be on its side, right? We're gonna take the lid, guys, and place it on the cup, so your victim won't know there's anything in there, right? And at this point, the prank is set. Just tell your victim, hey, can you hand me that cup over there? The cup on the counter. And when they pick it up, this is what's gonna happen. Instead of needles, guys, we're gonna be using some magnets. Like this one right here and this one. We'll be using 2 of them. One of them is gonna go inside a balloon. So we got the magnet inside the balloon. We're gonna fill it up in a bit. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna prepare the cup. Now this cup hasn't been tampered yet on the bottom. Well, we're gonna do that. We're gonna take a blade, because this is a plastic cup. We are gonna remove most of the bottom except for a little flap. So let me show you guys. Let me fast forward this and you're gonna see the end result. So guys, it should look something like this. Notice I left a little piece on there. Now this piece inside, we're gonna tape this magnet on like so. I got my piece of tape right here. I'm gonna center the magnet and I'm just gonna stick it onto the bottom piece that we left on the cup. And that's pretty much it, guys. Look how that looks. Perfect. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the sink and fill up this balloon with water. But make sure it's the right size so that the balloon is able to go all the way down and meet the magnet on the bottom. Okay, so here's the balloon, guys. It's got a magnet inside right there. So we're gonna put the balloon with the magnet inside the cup. And we're gonna do the same thing as we did with the other prank. Place the lid on and get your victims to flip it over. But make sure that the bottom is not visible. So make sure that the angle is away from them. They can't see the bottom of the cup. So when they flip over the balloon with the magnet, it's gonna go down to the bottom of the cup and it's gonna meet the other magnet. So that's gonna cause the balloon to pop. Just like this, watch. Come over, grab it. And that's what happened, guys. Oh, I got my shoe. So if you guys take a look at the bottom right here, both magnets are together. See? 2 magnets. And that's a good way, guys, without having to use a needle to set up this prank. Try it out. I highly recommend it. And here are some other pranks that you guys can do. All right, well, let's find out. So I'm the mother, I'm flipping this over, and this is what's gonna happen.
There you go.
Whoa.
Not too bad, man. I think I will use that. For sure.
And you know what? The holes that I made were not that big. That's one of the reasons why it wasn't a big spill. But at the same time, they did cause a spill. So let me flip this over again.
What happened? What happened?
That's all there is to it, guys, when it comes to setting up water balloon pranks. All you need are cups and water balloons, and that's it. Anybody will fall for these pranks. And as you just saw, they are pretty messy, so prank at your own risk. If you guys want to see more, I have a link down below where you guys can check out more water balloon pranks. These are perfect for summertime to stay cool and keep your victims cool, I guess. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys liked this video and you gave it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, guys, with the bell notifications turned on. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. So let's see that in action. And SB kindly volunteered for this demo, so he's gonna do this.
Oh man.
Alright, SB, let's see what happens when both magnets meet.
Well, there's a magnet. Yeah, that was good.
You needed that, right?
Oh yes, I need that. I'm ready to go outside now.